It is 2022-03-28 at 01:06. This is rice cooker video 1. Rice cooker video 1. This thing is the thing that goes in the rice cooker. Here. This has the rice inside of it. This part right here doesn't get wet because this part doesn't get wet inside here. It gets wet around here, which needs to be wiped off after every usage because of steam and condensation with these. Right here is the spot that used to have the cover. See the cover? And the cover, it goes here. Now the cover itself, after every usage, it has to be wiped down. Note the side parts inside of it, and the side part and the back part in the same exact way. And right here, this area here, so this ring to match up with this ring. And then this area needs to also be individually dried off, and around here. So just kind of wipe up here, around here, and then individually well here. And then wipe down this like once, and then it's pretty easy and done. And then no mold will grow on this at all. And there should not be any liquid in here because this thing seals, as I'm going to show you right now. See, seals. And then show you this. It lines up here. See, nice and sealed. It didn't take much force. Pops it in, popped in, and then it's good to go. Good to go here too. It's 2022-03-28 at 01:09. This is rice cooker video 1.